this is Israel from IsraelNavarro.com. Thank you for joining me yet on another live video here on Instagram, and thank you for all those who are watching this on replay on whatever platform you're watching it on. So today I'm going to talk to directly, this is a little bit more specific, this video is going to be directed to those who are in affiliate marketing, online marketing, network marketing, because this is something you guys deal with on a regular basis, which is drop shipment. For those who don't know what drop shipment is, well, basically, I'm going to give you a simple description of it. It is, you join a company and basically being on a subscription to get that product and service every month. They charge you automatically on your debit or credit card, and you get that product and service. But what happens, most of us, when we present the opportunity that we're associated, be it affiliate, online, or network, you know, one of the things is people are like, hey, I like that product or that service you were talking about. I would like to join. And what do I need to do to get that product through? Well, obviously, the one we're always going to tell them, hey, you can buy directly from me every month. Or if you don't want to go through the hassle, you're going to do drop shipment. So here's the thing I need you to understand. When you are talking about drop shipment, I'm going to share you 3 tips that you should take into consideration. So that way you don't have so much difficulties in getting that person to sign up and seeing the benefits. One of the things you got to do is do not try to compete with the price. Now, what am I trying to say with that? You know, yes, if we were going to compete with prices and everything, Walmart would have the monopoly on it, just for an example. Walmart obviously buys things at a wholesale price. Obviously, they have a great distribution center. They have the stores. People go in, they buy it, they can get that for really cheap. You got to understand that the price of your product or service is an exclusive thing. They're not going to go to Walmart or Target or Costco or wherever they can buy it. They're not going to find it there because it's only through that. And to get them to understand that the price they're going to get, being a part of that drop shipment, is basically, hey, there's going to be discounts. Hey, you will get free products. Hey, you will get cash back. Whatever promotion your company is offering, you got to state that so they know that the price they are paying is because they are getting the exclusive, basically the best of the best, and they are not going to get it anywhere else. So you got to let that be known. You know, do not be afraid about talking prices with people. Yeah, you're going to say, hey, if you do this, this is the price, this is and you got to obviously, depending the state you live in, obviously sales tax will be a factor. But you have to let them know, and do not feel that you need to, okay, they may not want this product, so I'm going to find a cheaper, or I don't want to say cheaper, but the lesser option, so that way they don't feel like it. Because one thing I've learned in my life, being involved in a network marketing company for roughly basically all my adult life, being a part of it, maybe that person in front of you looks like they don't have money, they have money. So you can't assume that that person doesn't have money. So don't be afraid to say the price. This is the price. This is what you're going to pay monthly. Boom, boom, boom. The second, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. The second tip I want to share with you guys too is do not sell. You can't make your product seem like you sell the same thing. This is kind of going back to the first point, which is not competing with the price. But you can't make yourself like, oh, this is that I'm going to use makeup or I'm going to use makeup especially for this one. Makeup, I've been to Sephora. I've obviously currently am engaged. My fiance likes that store. I go in there. To me, all the eyeliners do the same thing. But each one has a different price. Each one is not the same thing. So when you're talking about your drop shipment, the benefits, the incentives, or everything, it's not the same thing as another company. Because your company is offering this as an incentive where maybe that other company is not. So you cannot say, oh yeah, it's the same thing as this company. No, it's not. That's a rookie one-on-one mistake, and you do not want to do that. You want to make sure that you're basically direct to the point, say, hey, this is nowhere else, this is here, this is exclusive, one of a kind. You're getting it. Do you want it? Yes or no? You gotta, sometimes, I know it sounds direct, it sounds dry, but sometimes you gotta be stern. And when you're stern with someone, they will see you, they will, and respect you because you're coming off more professional to them. So don't let them feel unencouraged from that. So that's one thing I guys want you to let you know too. Now, number 3, do focus on your niche. Now, each company obviously have trainings. I know affiliate marketing, online marketing to a network marketing company. Each one has trainings. They're going to train you and they're going to teach. One thing I want you to do, personalize. Obviously, take what they teach you, but find that niche that works best for you. Because what works for me is not going to work for someone else. What works for me, maybe someone can copy it and it'll be super effective for them, and that's great, muzzle tov. But it's not going to work for everyone. So you have to find that niche that works perfectly for you so you can secure, A, you make them understand the price, B, you make them understand that things are not the same thing, and C, they should do it with you because you're helping them so they can get that deal or that benefit of drop shipment. And that's what it is. Yes, you also have to say the negative things like, yeah, you can cancel all this stuff. Yeah, that's normal. You have to explain these things to people. But you want them to understand the benefits of what you're offering. And when you do that, it's going to help you continue the growth of your business. So guys, don't feel pressure. Remember the 3 tips that I shared with you. Don't try to compete on your price. Do not tell them that it's the same thing as somewhere else. And 3, get that niche that helps you to close that deal and get everyone going as you need to. All right? So thank you so much. I'll see you guys on the next video. And if you guys want to know what I do, I'm going to tell you right now. I make money on Instagram. Go on the link on my bio or here in the comment section below so you can start doing too. So take care. God bless you.